seller. Secured credit card nga yung last kong in-applyan at yung last na hindi ako na-approve. And they're inviting me to do it again. Wala naman masyadong ganap yung buhay ko ngayon. Pero ikikwento ko na lang sa inyo yung latest email na na-receive ko dito kay Union Bank. And it has something to do with credit card. 128 na pala. Hi guys! Alam niyo naman guys that I'm preparing for a marathon and may 2-hour run ako. Prefer na magra-rice na lang ako and I think dito na lang because this one also has sodium which I need for my run. So, hindi naman siguro nakakasama yung masyadong maraming preservatives. Paminsan-minsan na naman yan. Kasi alam nyo, usually clean carbs yung diet naming mag-asawa. Imagine, wala na palang sibuyas. Kakain ako ng corned beef na walang sibuyas. But okay lang, di bali na yan. Gutom na ako guys, hindi na pwedeng mamili. So, ito na lang. Ahos, garlic. At least magisa natin yung corned beef, no? Yung i-share ko sa inyo about the Union Bank secured credit card experience is just based on my experience, ha? And my personal opinion as someone na may experience na rin ako, may experience na rin ako magkaroon ng ng secured credit card sa dalawang banks. One is Metro Bank, which, okay talaga. And the other one is Maya Black Express, which okay talaga. And ibang level din tong si Union Bank na secured credit card. And na-feel ko talaga na in that span of time na hinihintay kong ma-approve, I feel like sinayang ko yung potential ng 20K ko na mag-earn if kung sana nilagay ko yun sa mga digital banks na nag-earn ng daily interest yung 20,000. Okay, right now, it's so unhealthy kasi anyways, I'm gonna have a 2-hour run. I need carbs, I need sodium, and hopefully makatapos ako ng 18K without struggling because I don't feel like running today. For context ha, bago nyo ko i-judge, the reason why I talk about this because nagre-review po ako, content ko po yung mga online lending platforms and credit cards. That's why I'm sure magkakaroon kayo ng mga negative comments dyan. But ito yung content ko and that's why I want to talk about my experience with secured credit card ng Union Bank. So if you don't know me and the background of my channel, research muna ha, bago nyo ako i-judge. Sensitive yarn sa mga bashers, super explain. Mga 300 plus calories yung whole can na to. Plus yung rice ko, almost dry and crispy na siya guys. Okay, that's 259 grams of rice. Hey, lunchtime. Kain muna tayo guys. Bago nyo sabihin na sinisiraan ko tong si Union Bank, yung credit card niya, secured credit card, no, dahil my husband meron siyang credit card with Union Bank, dalawa, and he loves it. Actually, maganda yung perks ni Union Bank. Like, of all the cards na meron kaming experience, I think Union Bank offers the best installment plans, the best, points, yung ganon. So, hindi ko sinisiraan si Union Bank credit card and that is why gusto ko rin magkaroon. The only thing lang na masasabi ko is that if you're looking to get a secured credit card, matatali yung pera mo dito for a long time with no guarantees na ma-approve ka. Like, sinasabi niyang ma-approve ka daw without documentation, no? Sayang yung pera, be. Magde-deposit ka ng 20,000 at kung hindi ka ma-approve, natulog yung pera mo with security. Yung pera mo with Union Bank for maybe 20 days, 3 weeks, 21 days. Naku, sayang. Your money could have earned at least 5 pesos a day kung sinave mo na rin yun sa Maya. Anyways, so ayun yun guys, because this is a lifestyle vlog, so meron ako insert na mga anek-anek sa mga vlog ko dito. And if you wanna see like full-blown, like seryosong mga reviews, mga online loan platforms, and you can go to my main channel, which is Ate Red. So, yun na nga, my experience applying for a secured credit card with Union Bank. Well, first of all, what is a secured credit card? A secured credit card is backed by a security deposit. So, meron siyang hinuhold na deposit para technically madali kang ma-approve a credit card. This is suitable for those na first-timers or wala pang credit history, walang documents na mapakita, or may konting sablay yung credit history and looking to build credit. And I've had good experience sa secured credit card with Metrobank dahil nag-apply ako dati kay Metrobank and 35K yung dineposit ko, na-approve ako after 3 weeks and I've been enjoying the benefits of that card until finally na-release na siya and now it's a regular CC na sa Metrobank. So I thought it's gonna be the same with Union Bank. Kasi hindi naman ako mag-a-apply ng ganyan, guys. Kasi credit card is a responsibility and ayoko magdagdag. Pero dahil nagre-review po ako ng mga ganito sa channel, so I thought maybe have one as well for myself. So ayun, I got excited nung sa app lumabas na pwede ka nang mag-apply for a secured credit card because no documents. As far as I know, hindi mo kailangan mag-submit ng additional documentation, no background checks. So, technically, madali. So, what I did was, nung January, nag-deposit ako ng 20,000. But you're not gonna get 20,000 na credit limit in exchange. Unlike Metrobank na 35 din deposit mo, 35 din yung magiging credit limit mo. Dito naman kay Union Bank, iba naman. Kasi 90% of your deposit becomes your credit limit. So, after ko mag-deposit, sabi niya, I can only cancel the application within 24 hours na nasubmit. So sabi ko, go na to. Total, I had extra 20 naman lying around and I know it's still my money. Yun nga lang, hindi mo siya magagalaw. At least, para ka may forced savings. And yun, sabi niya 12 banking days daw yung process. And it took longer than that. Mga 21 or 3 weeks siguro. Saka ako naka-receive ng email, we're sorry, they cannot approve my application at the moment. Sabi ko, okay. Parang sana hindi ako na-impress sa ganun. Or I'm not really very bitter, but it's just that why advertise like it's easy approve if it's not. Sana nilagay nila na subject to approval pa rin. When I went to Metrobank na branch and I applied for a secured credit card, I was told by the officer na nag-help sa akin na meron siyang approval process. Baka may tumawag for additional verification. And may tumawag. At least I was given tamang expectations. Because although secured credit card is like guaranteed na approved na siya because nag-deposit ka nga diba? Pero you cannot expect na ma-approve ka sa isang bank na may dati ka ng record na canceled na credit card because of non-payment. The reason kung bakit lumapit ako kay Metrobank dahil wala akong ganon. And I thought with Union Bank, dahil wala rin akong ganyang record, ma-approve din ako. Ayaw Anyways, so that's about it. Sayang yung pera kasi natulog yung 20,000 ko sa Union Bank for more than or mga around 3 weeks na if I only knew na ganon, sana I just parked it na lang sa, say for example, kay Maribank kasi while the money is there, it's earning 1 peso and something every day. Or sa kay Maya, dahil gamit na gamit ko si Maya, it could earn mga 5 pesos a day pa. Say for example, you want to deposit 20,000 pesos. May calculator si Maya and then you're gonna keep the money for 21 days and then you can spend this and this and this and this. Wala lang akong Landers card. Your 20,000 could earn you 5 pesos per day. That's not much but it is better kaysa sa natulog yung 20K mo sa Union Bank for nothing. Anyways, kung na-approve naman siya, it's gonna stay there and potentially earn interest pa rin. But, that's it. So, I got an email. Kaya sinasabi kong joke because sabi niya, yung sabi niya sa email, they were unable to approve my previous application. So, they're inviting me to apply for a secured credit card through the app. Hello? Secured credit card nga yung last kong in-applyan at yung last na hindi ako na-approve. And they're inviting me to do it again. So, not now. Yun lang. It's just ironic. And I don't know who does their marketing or maybe it's just a blanket email sent to all. Pero nakakatawa lang guys. So I hope you learned something from this vlog, and at this point, marirecommend ko pa rin if you have the patience to wait for 3 weeks and wala naman kayong issues with Metrobank, I suggest you try applying for a secured credit card with Metrobank. I have a vlog here. And maganda kung meron kang secured credit card because after 6 or 9 months, depende kung sino yung target bank na applyan mo after, you can use your secured credit card as a reference like I did. So, after nagkaroon ako ng secured credit card with Metrobank, naka-apply ako ng 2 regular credit cards with Metrobank, and naka-security bank din akong gold, and then meron din akong BDO. Regular cards yan. And then, yun nga lang kay Maya Black ko, unfortunately, napadpad din ako dun sa Maya Black Express where kailangan ko rin mag-deposit ng 20,000. And then, yung credit limit naman is 16. Iba rin yung drama ni 80% of your deposit. But, okay rin because in a span of 1 year, yung deposit kong 20,000 sa kay Maya, marami din siyang perks. Yung, by the way, the Maya Black card ko, yung deposit ko kay Maya, I think earned 500 pesos. So, yun. So, pinaka-last priority siguro si Union Bank if you're looking for a secured credit card. I would still go with Metrobank if you have the patience to wait. But kung gusto mong express, like, approve ka agad, i-deliver na lang sa'yo, mag-Maya kayo. Maya Black Express. Pero good luck, baka ma-approve kayo sa regular na credit card ni Maya, then why not, diba? So, yun lang share ko today, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!